What if I told to you that you can create your own AI chatbot that understands 10 different languages, capture leads automatically, and cost you absolutely nothing? No monthly fees, no coding required, just Google Sheet and App Script and 15 minutes from your precious time. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build this step by step and stay until the end because I will show you a secret trick that makes your chatbot 10 times smarter than your competitors. So let's go. Okay, this custom AI chatbot powered by Google Gemini API, Google Sheet, and Web App Script and cost you zero on your hosting, on your everything. And how what make it special? Number one, it's trained on your data. Yes, the you can see here's I have asked some queries and they will answer me according to my data. It is trained on my data, and how you can do it, I will show you. So it is trained on your data, your business, your products, your facts as well. Okay, so it supports 10 natural languages automatically. So you can see here's different languages what this chatbot will support. Okay, and the third one is that it captures leads automatically and send you email notifications instantly while a customer come to your chatbot and chatting with your AI chatbot, with your AI support. And if they want a project, this AI automatically captures the lead and send you in your Google Sheet something like that. So you can also get notified by the email as well. Chat history is also available, and the best part is that it's completely free to host using the Google App Script. Now before we dive in, I need you to do something. Drop a comment right now telling me what would you use this chatbot for: customer support, sales, fact bot. Let me know and smash the like button if you are excited to build this. Let's hit 1000 likes on this video. Okay, so you can see this is a clean interference of our AI chatbot system, and it is completely trained on our data. And how you can train it on your data, so let me show you. So if I ask you, tell me about myself. Okay, tell me about myself. Okay, so you can see I have just entered a query, tell me about myself, and it's thinking I am designed to help you questions about me scripts and our services. I don't have personal information about you, but I can tell you what we offer. We build custom web applications, Google App Script solutions, dashboards, automation tools, and AI powered systems. We help businesses streamline, and after the reply you get from the AI with the help of the Gemini API key, it's completely free. I will also tell you how you can get the free API key officially. Okay, what services do you offer? So when you ask what services do you offer, so you can see it is automatically suggestions based on your chat. So there is hello me scripts. We offer a variety of services, help your business with special custom web solutions, technologies like React and everything. How does long a project that? So this is all the data where comes the information from where it comes. You can see there is a data, and now we are talking about how does a project take. So it means we are taking interest to give you the order. So the AI automatically detect now the customers want to a project, and you can see there is a lead form automatically comes, your name, your email address. Let me fill this for you. You can see there is a demo data here, and here's the dashboard development, and again this is the message, and click on this submit. So when I click on this submit, as of now you can see we have received your information and will contact you soon. Okay, so on the main time you will get the email notification on your email. So you can see new lead from AI chatbot Gibson community, and this is your lead, and on the real time you can also get the lead notifications as well. Okay, so after the lead you can see there is a option of the mail which is already here. It's removed because the lead is generated from this user. Now let's start a project. If you want to start a project, you can simply do these things, and this will give you the answer. Great, I am excited. You are ready to every kind of question you can ask from it, even the coding questions you can ask from it. And if you want to change the language, you can also convert your languages to other languages as well. So now let me show you how you can train your data. First, in the roles section, what is the role name? Support agent, technical support, sales assistant, journal assistant, and you can add unlimited as well. There is a no limit of the specified fields. You can add unlimited roles, descriptions, tune. Okay, so when it comes to the support agent type, the tone will be the friendly, professionally, and helpful, and the response style is this clear solutions. Okay, and the second thing is that about you. So this is our channel information, our Google Sheet app script channel information. Okay, So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, just go to here and press the subscribe button. It will cost you nothing. It's completely free. Okay, so here you can also tell you about your email, your tagline, about mission and everything. This is the actually main thing. This is the trained data. Let's take example. This is a category. Category lies in the services part. So what services do you offer? Ramesh scripts offer a lot of services to help your business. Okay, so this is the information I have entered here. So services you offer, I just go to my chatbot and click on this new chat, and here I just simply what services you offer, what kind of services you offer to your clients. Okay, give me all name. Okay, so you can see I just give a prompt what kind of services you offer to your clients and give me all name. So you can see hello Ramesh scripts offer a wide range of services, help your businesses succeed. We create dashboards with our signature revenue theme, provide data visualizations and analytics and automate and everything they will get from here. Okay, so they analyze your data from the trained data sheet and give you the answers by getting information from this training data. Okay, so you can see how does long a project takes. You can also see them how does long a project take, and you can see project timelines depend upon the complexity of the project. Simple scripts or automation usually take 1 to 3 days, basic dashboards take 1 to 2 weeks, full custom dashboard take 2 to 4 weeks, and everything you can see I have entered here. Okay, so you can see project timelines depend upon complexity, and this is the information what it will get from here. Okay, so this is I if I ask the outline the context. Okay, so let me give you give me a Python code to add three numbers. Okay, so this will give you this data is not trained on our Google Sheet training data. You can see there is no coding related data, and you can see it will give you a answer as well. Python def add, because it is powered by Google Gemini AI and developed by Ramesh scripts. Okay, how you can get the API and what you need to do and everything you can see. So just go to your aistudio.google.com and you will see this kind of interference, and in the sidebar you can see get API key and you can create a API key. So it will give you the free trial as well, and you can also add your billing as well, but free trial is okay. So they will give you the $300 credit for the free trial, so it's enough for 3 months. No worries about it, your chatbots will work fine. Okay, so this is the things. And what more thing I want to tell to you, that there is a simple things when the lead form will be triggered. So let me show you when that particular lead form will trigger while your user is chatting with the chatbot. So let me show you that things also as well. So I am just scrolling up slow by slow because there is API key. If we show the API key, so we will get a strike. No worries. So there is a lead trigger keywords. You can see when user asked are related to price, pricing, cost, code, contact, hire, project, work with, need help, interested by. So if you want to add, you can add here more keywords when your lead form will be triggered on your front end. So once the lead form is triggered, it will disappear from this particular dashboard until you clear your cache memory. So let me clear my cache memory. I just simply control H and delete browsing and click on this delete data. So when I click on this delete data, as of now you can able to see I just refresh my data from here, and all the chats will be disappeared, and you can see there is a lead form available here. So let me you can see this is a contact, so I just asking about the contact and it's loading. So this is a you can reach us because I want to contact the sport. So you can see the contact word is triggered and the lead form is appeared in front of you. And if I fill this particular form here with my demo data and click on this submit, so as of now you can able to see here the data is saved here successfully in our Google Sheet, and the source is AI chatbot. And on the real time you can see now the email icon will be disappeared from here because the lead is collected from the user, and the next lead is only collected if your browser cache is cleared.